Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable sounds for channel notifications on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you're someone who follows a lot of channels but finds the constant notification sounds distracting, this quick tutorial will help you keep your chat silent while still receiving updates. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is loaded, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Click on those three lines to expand the main menu. From the menu, you'll need to head into the settings section. This is where most adjustments to your Telegram preferences are made. After clicking settings, you'll see a list of options. The one we want today is called Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and click on it. Inside Notifications and Sounds, you'll see separate categories for different types of activity, such as private chats, groups, and channels. Since we're focusing specifically on channels, click on the Channels option. This will open up the notification controls tailored to channel messages. Now under Channels, you'll see several options for how you want to receive alerts. The key setting here is the sound option. To silence channels, simply disable the sound setting. This means that channel notifications will still appear on your screen if you want them to, but they will no longer make a noise. And that's it. You've successfully disabled sounds for channel notifications on the Telegram desktop app. This adjustment is especially useful if you're part of many channels that post often, but you don't want your workflow or focus interrupted by constant notification pings. Whether you're using Telegram for study updates, news, communities, or casual browsing, taking control of notification sounds helps you personalize your experience. You won't miss important updates, yet you'll enjoy a quieter environment while working on your PC. Thank you for following along.